What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we'll be taking a look at the best 3PL companies for Shopify. If you're not sure what 3PL is, it's your third-party logistics. So we're going to dive in 5 different services here. We're going to go over a little bit about them, the benefits of each, so you can get an overview of which one you should be choosing for your Shopify store. If you're enjoying any of the content along the way, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business. I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into it now. If you're not sure what a 3PL is, it refers to the outsourcing of e-commerce logistics processes to third-party businesses. This also can include inventory management and warehousing as well as distribution. This can save you a lot of time and some big headaches on your end by outsourcing this function to third parties here, as they're going to specialize in all this and smooth out the overall process. So let's dive into the first service today, and that's going to be Shopify's very own fulfillment network. You can grow your business with 2-day deliveries. So this allows you to focus on your business while Shopify streamlines your order fulfillment, returns, and product storage. So it's going to work as the following. You're going to make the sale in Shopify, and then their fulfillment network is going to handle the rest by distributing your products across the fulfillment network, dealing with inventory storage, order packaging, and delivery preparation, delivering your products to your customers. It's also going to help with returns, processing, inspections, and tracking. The big one is returns here. It's going to make it way easier for customers to receive their items and then return them if they feel they do, rather than having to ship to wherever your location is. There's going to be no activation fees with this one, which is nice here, so you can simply apply for it. And they have pretty clear pricing in terms of how much it costs. They're going to do it by weight here, and it's going to include all these features when available. Having fast delivery is key here. Rather than you being at your house, let's say, and you're shipping it out there, you're going to have to package it, send it out, find the best rate, and then hopefully it gets there quickly, as you're trying to manage companies such as Amazon who do prime day delivery that's really guaranteed for 2 days almost everywhere. Shopify is going to offer the same thing here with their fulfillment network. So they do that with fulfillment centers across the United States, and you can delight them with fast, affordable deliveries. The next 3PL we'll take a look at here is going to be ShipBob. It's going to allow you to fill all your orders here, and they're trusted by over 7,000 brands. They allow you to fill global orders from the US, UK, the EU, Canada, and Australia. They have 30 fulfillment centers across 6 countries. They have 99.95% accuracy rate when fulfilling orders, and 99.96% of orders ship on time within the SLA. So it makes it easy here, as they do have a Shopify app, and it's going to let you connect your store, import your products, and then send them their inventory. You're going to store your inventory in any combination of their fulfillment centers. Then as soon as a customer places an order, they're going to ship it from the nearest fulfillment center. So over 7,000 brands here. They're also going to offer affordable 2-day shipping, easy to understand pricing, transparency and accountability, and hands-off fulfillment so you can focus on everything else. And they're going to use different carriers such as UPS, FedEx, DHL, and the USPS service. They're also going to let you do B2B fulfillment as well, if that's something you're interested in, and you're shipping that inventory to brick and mortar stores. And they have quite a few partners here, such as Staples, Target, Best Buy, Chewy's, Dick's Sporting Goods, and so on. If you look at some of the testimonials here, you can see 50% of time back by partnering with ShipBob. It's only going to take 10 seconds to order thousands of products. This one merchant saved 25% when switching to a 3PL. Another one saw 1,200% growth in just a couple of weeks. If we take a look at the fulfillment center map here, we can see several locations in Europe, quite a few locations across the United States. Looks like 2 in Canada here, as well as 2 in Australia. So overall, quite a few fulfillment centers around the world. Next, let's take a look at Stag fulfillment. It's going to be cloud-based order fulfillment for B2C and B2B online retailers. They're going to provide warehousing, fulfillment, and shipping, just like the other 2. One of their claims here is that their warehousing is going to be really good. They're going to have 2-day dock to stock, meaning that once the inventory arrives at the warehouse, they'll be able to accurately process every individual piece on the live inventory picking shelves. They're going to have 0 shrinkage allowance, make it really easy to do inventory management. They're also going to do kitting and inserts. So you can do kitting, light assembly, marketing inserts, and other unique value-adding services are a crucial part carried out by the 3PL warehouse. They're also going to have same-day pick and pack. So orders are going to be picked, packed, and shipped out on the same day. They're also going to do returns processing. They're doing huge amounts of volume here. We can see just a few testimonials, 37,000 packages shipped and 50,000 packages shipped just from a few testimonials here. They're also going to have a direct Shopify integration, making it really easy to set up with your store. If we take a look at the fulfillment in the United States, we can see the shipping zones. We can see some places have 1 day fulfillment. Most places have 2 days. And really the furthest you're seeing is 3 day here in the States for some of these farther regions. For our fourth one, let's take a look at ShipHero. It's going to allow for fast e-commerce shipping. That's going to cost less. So they claim to have 99% shipping accuracy, 30% faster shipping, 35% reduction in warehouse cost, and 3 times increase in picking efficiency. So it's going to offer one-click integrations as well, and transparent and flat fees. And so labor costs are also going to be under $1.50 per package. Again, it's going to provide overviews for your end-to-end warehouse system, mobile pick and pack, B2B wholesale shipping, orders and returns, making it really easy to manage your 3PL here. In terms of pricing, they're going to have a flat rate, no zone pricing. That includes picking, packing, and shipping, mailing supplies, and postage. And there's not going to be any shipping zones here. So this is going to allow them to give you a competitive price as well as predictable costs for easier forecasting. And they claim to be 30% faster shipping speeds than their competitors here. Doesn't say who they are, but if you take a look at 3.5 days versus the average 5-day plus delivery speed. Included in the flat rate pricing as well is going to be load balancing. So you can send your products to one warehouse and ShipHero is going to figure out the rest, giving you the chance to offer 2-day or overnight shipping to more clients. They're going to spread that inventory where they think it's going to be best stored for faster shipping for your customers. They're also going to do zone skipping. So they're consolidating shipping to the same destination, cutting down on shipping costs. You can also track your shipments and analyze carrier performance based on a variety of factors here. Here's some of the reviews on G2. They have about a 4.5 stars on 47 reviews. And on Trustpilot, they're sitting at about 4.6 with 387 reviews. Lastly, let's take a look at a solution I'm sure you heard of as well, is that's Amazon FBA. So fulfillment by Amazon. It's also going to allow you to pick, pack, and ship your orders. We all know Amazon has very good shipping in the US especially. It makes your products available for Amazon Prime free 2-day shipping, free shipping, and more. It's also going to make it easy to sell through Amazon as well, if that's something you're looking to do. You're basically just going to set up your FBA account, create your product listings, prepare your products, and then ship your products to Amazon. There's a claim that shipping with FBA costs 32% less per unit than the slowest shipping options offered by major US carriers. So the slowest shipping options is theoretically the cheapest as well. And so FBA 2-day shipping cost is 72% less per unit than other 2-day options. You're also going to pay as you go, and you're charged for storage space and the orders that are fulfilled. The cost of shipping is included in your fees with no extra charges for Amazon Prime, free 2-day shipping. So it's also going to incentivize you to be selling on Amazon with that Prime shipping. In terms of the fees you're going to pay on inventory storage, long-term storage, unplanned service fees. This is if you don't have the proper preparation for labeling. There are also going to be return processing fees, removal order fees, and fulfillment fees. So if you're selling through Amazon as well, this is probably a great option here as you can consolidate your 3PL inventory. Overall, this concludes the video on the best 3PLs for Shopify. We went over 5 different services today. Let me know what you think of these services, or if we missed any that you think that should be included. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And lastly, I want to mention our sponsor, Profit Calc again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. There's a link in the description below to access a 15-day free trial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.